In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Claude AI rate limit error. If you're a user of Claude AI, you may have encountered a message indicating that you've reached the usage limit. This can be a bit frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of working on something important. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the steps to resolve this issue so you can get back to your tasks as smoothly as possible. Firstly, it's essential to understand what the rate limit error means. Claude AI enforces a usage limit to ensure optimal performance for all users. When you see a notification such as 5-hour limit reached, resets at a specific time, this indicates that you've hit the cap of usage within the set time frame. The good news is that this limit resets every 5 hours, so although you won't be able to use Claude.ai immediately, waiting until the next reset will resolve the issue. So what should you do during this waiting period? Well, this is a great time to take a step back, perhaps review your queries or goals, or even take a break and come back with a fresh perspective. If the reset time is just around the corner, you can prepare by organizing your future interactions with Claude to make them as efficient and effective as possible. Now, once the reset time has passed, there's another step you can take to help manage your usage. Starting a new conversation with Claude can be particularly beneficial. You see, when a conversation with Claude gets lengthy, it can accumulate a considerable amount of context, some of which may no longer be necessary for your ongoing needs. By initiating a new session, you ensure that you're not dragging along a lot of previous context that could consume additional usage unnecessarily. This step can be an excellent strategy for optimizing your interactions and making sure you're using your available time more efficiently. Following these guidelines will help you navigate the rate limit issue effectively and ensure that you're making the most productive use of Claude.ai. Keep this in mind whenever you encounter a rate limit message, and remember that a bit of planning ahead can save you from delays in future sessions. And that's it for today's tutorial. By understanding the limits and managing your usage wisely, you'll be able to continue benefiting from Claude.ai's capabilities without interruption.